Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home looks and feels. Bright, sunlit spaces feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while darker rooms can feel closed off and less inviting. One of the most effective ways to bring more daylight into a home is through picture windows. For homeowners in Austin, picture windows are an ideal solution for maximizing natural light while maintaining comfort and modern style. Why picture windows are designed for light. Picture windows are fixed windows that do not open, allowing them to feature large, uninterrupted glass panels. Without sashes, grids, or moving parts breaking up the glass, picture windows provide a clear, expansive surface that lets in maximum sunlight. In Austin homes, this design is especially valuable because it allows homeowners to take full advantage of sunny days without sacrificing interior aesthetics. Flooding rooms with consistent daylight. Unlike smaller or segmented windows, picture windows allow sunlight to spread evenly throughout a room. The large glass area helps light reach deeper into living spaces, reducing shadows and dark corners. For Austin homeowners, this means brighter living rooms, dining areas, and common spaces that feel open and energized from morning to evening. Reducing the need for artificial lighting. With more natural light entering the home, the reliance on lamps and overhead lights decreases. This not only enhances the atmosphere of a space but also helps reduce energy usage during the day. In Austin homes, picture windows support a more efficient and naturally lit lifestyle, especially in rooms that are used frequently. Enhancing the sense of space. Natural light has a strong visual effect on how large a room feels. Picture windows help blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, making rooms appear larger and more open. For Austin homeowners, this is especially beneficial in living areas where an open, airy feel enhances daily comfort and enjoyment. Positioning picture windows for maximum light. Picture windows can be strategically placed to capture the best available daylight. Whether facing a yard, garden, or open view, proper placement ensures sunlight enters at optimal angles throughout the day. In Austin homes, thoughtful placement helps homeowners enjoy natural light without overwhelming interiors. Brightening interior design elements. Natural light enhances colors, textures, and finishes inside the home. Picture windows highlight flooring, furniture, and decor by allowing daylight to illuminate these features naturally. For Austin homeowners, this creates interiors that feel warmer, more vibrant, and visually balanced. Maintaining comfort while maximizing light. Modern picture windows are designed to let in light without excessive heat. Advanced glass options help manage solar exposure, allowing homeowners to enjoy bright spaces while maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. In Austin homes, this balance ensures natural light enhances comfort rather than creating unwanted heat. Supporting health and well-being. Natural light contributes to a healthier living environment. Bright interiors can improve mood, support daily routines, and create a more uplifting home atmosphere. For Austin homeowners, picture windows help create spaces that feel positive, energizing, and comfortable throughout the day. Complementing modern and traditional designs. Picture windows adapt easily to different architectural styles. Whether paired with other window types or used as a standalone feature, they integrate seamlessly into both modern and traditional homes. In Austin, homeowners appreciate picture windows for their ability to enhance design while maximizing daylight. A bright upgrade for Austin homes. Picture windows offer a powerful way to transform interior spaces by maximizing natural light. Their expansive glass, clean design, and strategic placement brighten rooms, enhance comfort, and elevate everyday living. For homeowners in Austin, picture windows are a smart investment that brings the outdoors in while creating light-filled, inviting homes.